Welcome to SysCloud. In this video, we'll give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for Google Workspace. SysCloud Backup for Google Workspace is designed to help users quickly recover lost data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under Google Workspace, we back up Gmail, Google Drive, shared drives, Google Classroom, Contacts, and Calendar. Setting up Google Workspace Backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect your Google Workspace accounts, select users by domains or organizational units, specify the apps to be included in the backup, and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also have an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for specific users. Once you have configured your backup, you can see a comprehensive dashboard where you can track the backup progress at an app level and at user level. The dashboard displays usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, ransomware, security and compliance, data change insights, e-discovery, and archiver, if enabled, admin roles available, and audit logs of all admin and end-user activities. The dashboard view is also available for individual users and domains. Just search for the username or domain name in the search box on the top to view the backup dashboard associated with the user or the domain. From the Archives page, you can click on any user or search for a user to view the backup archives for the user, categorized by apps. Instead of having to go through multiple steps to navigate to the user archives, you can make use of SysCloud's Smart Navigation feature to quickly navigate to the archives or dashboards for any app, user, shared drive, or classroom. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore data to the same user or a different user in the same domain, with sharing permissions and folder structure intact. You can restore files to their original location or to a separate label or folder. You can also export emails or files from your archives. Emails can be exported in PST or MBOX formats for viewing them using email clients. If you have any trouble finding the data you are looking to restore or export, we have advanced search options that will help you locate your data based on filters like email, subject, document ID, created date, keywords in metadata, and more depending on the app you want to restore. To help you deal with ransomware and data corruption, we have a point-in-time restore feature, which will allow you to choose a previous version of your archives and restore the version intact. SysCloud Backup app has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights and turn on self-service restore options for end users. Admins can keep track of every critical action taken in the application using our comprehensive reports, whether it's restoring data, exporting files, transferring ownership, applying holds, or managing sharing settings. Each report corresponds to a specific user action, giving you a clear audit trail across your cloud applications. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can also view real-time updates and accurate completion times for restores, exports, and more. Beyond backup and recovery, SysCloud offers powerful add-ons that help businesses stay protected, compliant, and efficient in managing your cloud data. From the dashboard, admins can monitor ransomware alerts and detect encrypted files, view security and compliance violations flagged based on risk thresholds, access data change insights to identify unusual changes and AI-detected anomalies, track all e-discovery searches and legal holds for audit or legal requirements, and use Archiver to gain visibility into how storage has been optimized to reduce costs. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to back up and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today.